So this is the X1 electric bike. Now some people will call it a scooter because depending on the jurisdiction you're in, you may or may not be able to ride this legally. Here in Ontario we require real pedals, so I'm going to call it a scooter. So today we're going to actually go through some of the specs, we're going to show you all the features, and then we're actually going to put it up against a regular electric bicycle. My friend Jay's joining me here today, and we're going to go for a long ride and we're going to do a little comparison. So let's get into some of the details. So here are a few specs on the X1 bike. It's available in two models, much like the Model 3, where they have a standard range and a long range. The standard range goes 25 miles, up to 25 miles, and up to 37 kilometers. Or in my case here, I have the long range model, and it's rated at 40 miles or up to 60 kilometers. The maximum speed of the X1 is 25 miles per hour or 37 kilometers per hour, but in all reality, I haven't really gotten it more than about 28 kilometers per hour. The weight of the X1 is 44 pounds or 20 kilos. The X1 also features 10-inch wheels, which are not tubeless. They actually have a tube inside. It has a single motor rated at 350 watts at 36 volts. The X1 bike has a Panasonic battery, which is rated at 36 volts, and it consists of a bunch of 18650 cells, which are the same ones found on the Model S. The battery pack is down here in the rear part of the bike. The standard battery is rated at 313 watt hours, and the long-range battery is 410 watt hours. The recharge time is about 3 to 4 hours on the included charger, and it plugs in here at the back where the battery compartment is. The bike also comes with a keyless start and a built-in alarm system. It includes 2 key fobs and 2 keys, and you can either activate the bike via the key fob or the key slot on the side of the bike. The X1 also has an electronic horn, and it also has a brake light on the back, which is also illuminated whenever you brake the bike. The bike has full front fork suspension as well as a elastomeric donut in the middle, so that you can actually get a little bit of give on the back of the bike when you ride it too. It's quite comfortable. Now, because of its folding nature, you're probably wondering, does this fit in my car? Well, I'm here to tell you, it does fit in the Model X front trunk, but it will also fit in the Model S front trunk, but as long as you don't have the all-wheel drive car. And I also tested it, and it does fit in a Chevy Bolt underneath the false floor in the rear of the car. It also features front and rear mechanical disc brakes. The bike is constructed of aircraft-grade aluminum and steel parts. There's only one bit of plastic on it, and that's the 2 fenders. I've already broken mine off on the back, but hey, I don't ride it in the water or in the mud, so I don't really care about that. But otherwise, it's really solidly built. And the bike also has a built-in digital display, which shows you things like an odometer, a battery meter, travel timer, and total time hour meter. The bike is available in a variety of different colors, including white, black, teal, green, and pink, whatever suits your style. There are also some accessories available for the bike, including a shopping basket, a shelf rack, and also a storage bag. And they do have some spare parts, so if you need things like a replacement tire or a key fob, they also sell them there too. Pricing on the X1 bike is $995 US, or if you want the longer range like I have here, it's only $100 more. And lastly, you can buy the bike online, and you can find it at the website x1bike.com. I'll put a link down in the video description. You can check it out for yourself. So this is my friend Jay. So Jay, why don't you tell us a little bit about your bike and some of its features?
Okay, so this is a Sondors e-bike, and I sponsored an Indiegogo program at the beginning of 2015. A chap by the name of Storm Sondors wanted to originally name the bike the Storm e-bike. At the time, I thought the specs and the performance and the price all matched up, so I wanted to support this guy. So at the time, I spent $500 Canadian. February 2015, I started to get reports on how Storm was building this bike in China. He created a manufacturing facility over there, and he really did a great job at filming the production phases and keeping up with the production deadline, which was summer of 2015. I got my bike in August of 2015, and I've been riding it and enjoying it ever since. I ride this bike Monday to Friday to work here in Hamilton, and I love it. It's an incredible machine, not just for leisure and enjoyment, but like I say, for the modern day commute. It fits the bill. It features a 350 watt integrated rear motor made by Bafang. So the battery is a 36 volt, 12.8 amp hour made by Panasonic. It also features the same cells that are in a Tesla Model S. It's good for approximately 50 kilometers range. I've managed to top that as long as you're pedaling along with the battery. I've never once used the bike just on throttle alone. It's an exceptional machine. After 3 years of ownership, I can honestly recommend this bike to anybody. www.sondors.com. The notes will be in the description below. Please check out the website because, like Tesla, they don't do a lot of marketing. They don't do their own advertising. And it's a company that I really think a lot more people would benefit from knowing about because it's a really affordable, durable, solid e-bike for the price.
Okay, you ready?
Throttle only.
Throttle on. Hey, come on, line up, line up. Do it right. Okay, no pedaling. Ready, set, pull on. Oh, it's a race, it's a race. Oh. Well, not so bad, I'm keeping up. You seem to have a little bit more juice on the low end when you take off.
I don't know why.
Are you still full? Oh no, you're not full throttle.
Back at Hutchins.
Ah, you bastard.
I'd be up there if I was, Trev.
So I'm getting 26 kilometers, 27 kilometers an hour.
What was your top? Is that what you peaked at?
Well, on level ground, that's what it'll do. But there's a governor on this thing, and I haven't taken it off. Beep, beep.
Right now?
I'm full. I'm on. Yeah, well, you can do faster. Well, I lost the race, but I win in portability.
Thinking about getting a black one of these, and I thought, just think how sinister this thing would look.
Oh yeah, totally. Like flat black.
I don't want to do that. It's yellow, and I get kids giving me thumbs up, parents.
Well, that's why I like yellow. I used to have a Ducati that was yellow.
Oh really?
Oh, it was sweet. I miss that bike.
You see, you want it to show out. There's an honesty to that versus black. It looks like you're trying to get away with something. That's what I told my wife. She's like, why don't you get the black? It looks so much sexier. I'm like, I ain't trying to be sexy when I'm driving to work. I want to be promoting safe travel and all that. Right?
Yeah.
So I went with the yellow. And
yeah.
I just love it.
Visibility. If you don't make a noise, it might as well be visible, right?
Yeah. And
I don't know. I think you've got a lot more momentum on account of the big wheels.
Yeah.
This one here.
Pounds.
Yeah. This one stops really quickly.
You want to do a braking?
No, I could do an endo on this thing almost.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh my God, the bugs. Yeah, I can feel them in my face. Oh God. Now I know how the radiator feels. Don't open your mouth. Oh, God, turn around. Oh my God, that was a swarm. I probably covered in bugs. Jesus.
Oh, look at me.
Oh, they're sticking to you. I guess they don't like red. Look at that. This is the longest I've ever gone in this bike, just so you know.
Hey, as long as it doesn't, this is serious.
You're pulling me back. That's what's gonna happen.
It's an acid test. Oh yeah.